Okay. I'm a trendsetter. Ay, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. Okay. Let go. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look, they keep calling me, could you ride this beat? Look probably. Okay, it ain't no problem. See, I can mold this thing like pottery. Better than I'ma bet on myself. And for the top, and I don't need your help. We set the tempo, we run this thing as simple. Let's go. Boy, I'm locked in. Know your place, I'm top 10. And all my haters watching, so you know I keep on clocking. Let's go. Time, my whole style of go. Mine, take my place, I hold mine. Run up, then it's go time. It's show time. Whoa. Yeah, they know I'm the one that set the trends, dog. Tell them tenfold, I'm gon' change the tempo. Okay. Tell them I can't play it safe. Got more wins on the way. Gotta show them how to do it. Man, my team making plays. Okay, your team better play off. Sleeping on me, wake up. Too easy just to lay off. Okay, tell me who you know can do it better. I know, they know, we know I'm a trendsetter. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look, told them I would elevate, now watch me go up. Critics acting all confused, they can watch me blow up. Knew I had it in the bag, I just had to show up. Shawty going out sad, got no plans to slow up. Okay, mama said I'd make it, and I know that she ain't never lie. Said they need a double, still they lost, cause they ain't hit my line. Whoa, it's my time on the dot, gotta shine, let them watch, cause we gaming for the top. This a bop, whoa. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look.
Morning everyone. So I'm out on the Greenway just checking it out really, local trail where I am, see what the weather's like, or what the weather impact has been like I should say. Still quite muddy and a bit sandy, quite a lot of deep sand that wasn't there before because of the rainfall that we've had. We had torrential flooding in the last week where I live, so a lot of houses were underwater and riverbanks bursting, all that fun stuff. But it is just about dry enough for me to try out this. So this is the new HoverX1 Pro, not the Pro Max. The Pro Max does 8K and slightly more advanced rear detection. This one has got rear detection as well, but I think it's just not advanced, and it does 4K up to 60, which is amazing for this little thing. I am having problems with the beacon. Those that don't know, so the point of the beacon is that the beacon as well as the tracking that the drone does should together give you more accurate tracking. So if the drone gets kind of confused, then the beacon is there as the backup, I suppose. That doesn't seem to be connecting very well. I know other people are having it. I don't know if it's interference from other Bluetooth devices that I've got connected on my Unicycle, for instance, and my headset. Maybe that's it. We're gonna have to do some bit of more playing around. But I must say, this thing, I was doing about 21 miles per hour, and this kept up. That's pretty impressive for a drone of this size. Or actually, I don't know whether you class this as a drone. It is to me, but they class it as a flying camera because it's like under 120 odd grams. It's really light, fits in your pocket. It's still foldable, as you can see. Does vertical mode as well, a bit like the new DJIs, and you can, I won't do it today because it's still a bit windy. It's gusts of about 25 miles an hour, which again, very impressive considering the gust of winds that we've been having today. This didn't flinch, which was great. It's up to level 5 category, I believe, wind resistant. All the trolls out there, don't quote me on any of this, because hey, I'm not an expert and I do this for fun. It's not my job, so hey, shoot me. Little dig there, I don't care. I love this thing. I've been waiting for this. This was on Indiegogo Kickstarter, so I sold my HoverX1, which was amazing, but it only flew up to, I think, about 15 miles an hour, which was fine if you were on, say, the M10-4 and you're just poodling around. But if you want some really cool dynamic shots on the bigger wheels, it just couldn't keep up. Now, 25 miles an hour, I know to people out there probably won't be that fast, but for me, if I'm going trails and stuff and I'm on my own, or stuff like that, that'd be good. Be interesting to see what this is like on a group ride, whether it maintains you. It would be good, I think, an additional feature on this if it had, I don't know, like object tracking. I don't know if it does that in that way, to be honest, but DJI on the app and stuff, you can see what it's tracking. I'm not sure it does it that way on this, but this is my first kind of flight. I literally got this Friday. It's now Sunday, and because of the weather and various other things, it's the first time I've actually been able to go out and give this a try. So far, very, very impressed. Like I said, it is on the Indiegogo site. You can still buy these. I think they might have extended the sale on these a little bit further. These will eventually make it out to the likes of Amazon and things like that. My HoverX1 I got on Amazon because it had been out probably a year after that. So expect these to start appearing on Amazon probably over the next 6 months or so, I would imagine. But if you want to get one of these now, Indiegogo, it's various packs. You can get this on its own with like a battery. You can get a cycling pack that I got, which has got the beacon and I've got 2 extra batteries and things like that. Extra batteries are essential. I mean, this was running its legs off, chasing me at 60 frames, and I run it literally until it fell out of the sky. It was following me and then it just stopped. I was like, I can't hear it, that's not good. That's the other reason why I want the beacon to work so much, because it allows you to keep control of it, or understand where it is at all times. Kind of my fault. It was on 20%. I'd done the last run and then it went and then dropped. But luckily it was along a side path. It was along a side path, so it was just a matter of tracking along, and it wasn't out that far. I didn't push it out far into like the field. It was just like the grass before the field. So I have taken this up quite high on manual mode, so you can get an additional controller that goes with the beacon, but you can, sorry for the sneeze, it's really cold and I've got a bit of a sneezy thing going on, and you can control it with with your phone. And I tried that yesterday and I flew it over my house, got up quite high. Really good. Just unlocks the potential of something this small, where you can have this and a beacon and maybe your phone. My Avatar is just a thing in itself, to like all the stuff that you have to carry with the goggles and the controller and the drone and blah 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 blah, all the other stuff. This just in your pocket and away you go. So this will literally come on every ride with me. This thing is it does what it says on the tin. Now if you can just get the beacon working properly. Now I'm not sure also, I can't see if my beacon's charging. I've plugged it in and I can't tell whether it's charging or not. There doesn't appear to be a charging indicator when you turn the screen on. It doesn't seem to do anything, so I'm gonna have to do a bit of research on there. If you're watching this and you've got one of these, have you got the same problem with the beacon? Does it charge all right? Have you managed to... I connected it to this once, and then ever since then it hasn't seemed to have connected, which is, it's really odd. Needs a bit of playing around, and there'll be more follow-up videos on this, I'm sure. But I'm just out having a bit of a nice Sunday morning ride and testing this.